Ever invested in Raiz and wondered, how long until I see some green in my account? Well, let's dive into that today. Raiz, a popular micro-investing app, offers a convenient way to invest spare change. But how quickly can you access your funds when you need them? Let's break it down. Understanding Raiz withdrawal process. The basics: Raiz is designed for long-term investing. However, life happens, and sometimes you might need your money sooner than planned. Withdrawal request. To initiate a withdrawal, you'll typically need to log into your Raiz account and submit a withdrawal request. Processing time. Once the request is submitted, Raiz has a standard processing time. This can vary, but it's generally a few business days. Factors affecting withdrawal speed. Market conditions. If the market is volatile or there are technical issues, processing times might be slightly longer. Withdrawal amount. Larger withdrawals might require additional verification steps, potentially extending the process. Bank transfer time. The time it takes for the funds to reach your bank account depends on your bank's processing speed. Tips to speed up the process. Ensure accurate information. Double-check your bank details to avoid delays. Stay informed. Keep an eye on your Raiz account for any updates or notifications. Contact support. If you have any concerns or questions, reach out to Raiz customer support team. Real-world scenario. Let's say you need to withdraw $500 from your Raiz account. Here's a breakdown of the potential timeline. Request submission. You submit the withdrawal request on a Monday morning. Raiz processing. Raiz processes the request within a couple of business days. Bank transfer. The funds are transferred to your bank account. This can take 1 to 2 business days, depending on your bank. So, in this scenario, you could potentially see the funds in your bank account by the end of the week. While Raiz is designed for long-term investing, it offers flexibility when you need to access your funds. By understanding the factors that influence withdrawal times and following the tips we've discussed, you can streamline the process and get your money when you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.